This video will demonstrate how to download, install and configure the Power BI Layered Map visual. Let's start by downloading the visual from the website. Navigate to powerbilayeredmap.com to view the Downloads section. Download the Power BI Layered Map PBI Viz file. Now that we've downloaded the PBI Viz file to our hard drive, let's switch over to Power BI and import the visual from our hard drive. The Power BI Layered Map visual icon should appear in the Visualizations pane. Click the icon to insert the visual. The visual requires data from Power BI in order to function. Let's add the latitude and longitude fields from Power BI. By default, the fields may be added with some form of aggregation such as average or sum. Let's remove any aggregation by selecting Don't Summarize for both latitude and longitude. Let's now insert our license key and configure the visual to display our data as a layer of points. Congratulations! You have successfully configured your first Power BI Layered Map visual. For more information, please visit powerbilayeredmap.com.